Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed condo. This is a rental here in Hammonton. It's 22U, Hammonton, New Jersey 08037. And it's got 1,054 square feet, 2 beds, 1 bath. It's really in excellent shape and I'm going to show it to you now. Let's check it out. This is in the Hammonton Park Condominium complex, and this is right off of Fairview Avenue, and it's nestled in between the Hammonton Middle School, High School, and Elementary School, within walking distance of all those. Have this nice eating area, seats 4. This table is atop some nice wood floors, really in excellent shape. Tile countertops, backsplash, wine rack, have these modern cabinets, bright white. All the appliances stay, refrigerator, stacked washer, dryer, plenty of storage. You have this outside balcony and it overlooks the pool, so you have a really nice summer situation. And there's a HVAC that's been upgraded in here. Not sure the exact age, but it's definitely newer. So the balcony's real nice, overlooks the courtyard, kitchen combo dining area, and it opens up to this lovely living room. Plenty of morning and afternoon sunshine. You have newer windows throughout the entire unit. Gorgeous. Have this mirror wall, which adds an extra element of drama. Nice. Full bathroom, tile floor, tile surrounding the shower, upgraded. Nice furniture grade, vanity, excellent shape. This is going to be the biggest bedroom. This one's closer to Fairview Avenue. And you can see how spacious it is. Have dual closets on the other side, mirrored doors, excellent condition. And then to round it out, we have the bedroom number 2. This faces the pool. You have 2 closets, good to go. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you know anybody that needs a Hammonton rental, share it. And if you really love the content, make sure you subscribe. We're at 22U Deborah Lane here in the heart of Hammonton. This is the Hammonton Park Condominiums, surrounded by all 3 Hammonton public schools. You overlook the pool area, public water, public sewer, natural gas heat, central air, all that is taken care of, and the interior of this property is absolutely immaculate. 1,054 square feet, good to go, turnkey, looking for a great tenant to occupy this unit. And as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.